guys are absolutely incredible. We hear you from everywhere, all around the back. So loud, everyone. So, basically, when me and the boys first got together, we spent a lot of time at my house with the guitar, around the fire, singing some of our favourite songs. And that's exactly what we're going to do for you right now.